Alrighty, guys and girls, well, I'm gonna actually take a knee right here because, as you can tell, this is my 1960 Chevrolet Bel Air. So I've actually owned this car since June of the year previous, 2022. And I guess I've just kind of been dragging my feet with the whole content thing because, as you guys do know, I did take some time off of YouTube. But with that being said, it's not really that big of a deal. It is what it is. And now I will air the fact that this is a movie car. A Man Called Otto. This car is actually 100% the car from the movie. Yes, it's only half a millisecond, but I love this car. Yes, it's only half a millisecond, but I love this car, and I couldn't be any more thankful that, you know, I've just been enjoying it now solidly since May. Since May, I've put 11,000 miles on this car. Well, a little under, I don't want to lie to you guys, I put like 10,600 on it since May, but I absolutely love this car. It is by far, hands down, my most favorite vehicle that I've ever owned in my entire life, and I have owned a lot of vehicles, to say the least. So with that being said, I'm going to go back through some footage here and see what I have of this car, and maybe put a little clip in from the movie. Again, it is half a millisecond, but it is what it is. You don't have a movie car, so you can't talk poop. So with that being said, roll the footage that I got, and then I'll pick right back up.
No, I don't want to be looking like this. No!
Well, Mo, you are busted curling your hair,
No!
and I, my friends, am on my way. We're 203 miles, 3.5 hours away from my absolute dream car. Now, this is not the color or anything that I want, but this is a big, big dream, and I can't believe that it's actually happened. This is actually a movie car, and I will have to show you guys the movie. I don't know if you guys will see this before the movie comes out, but this was a prop in a movie, and I just, the way everything has gone the last like year of my life is been traumatic. It's been stressful, but for some reason everything is sort of falling into place, and I have the wheels in motion for something amazing, and I couldn't thank anybody else but you guys for all of this, all your support. And I know I don't make many videos now, but I built kind of the channel where it is, and long story short, I'm able to do things like this. And of course, it's a lot of hard work and dedication. I do flip a bunch of vehicles on the side, and work on people's cars, and I make side money. I make real money, and I just sort of got myself from basically nothing in the last, like, in January of this year actually till now. We're able to do stuff like this. So I still have the 58 at this point right now, and we're going to buy my absolute dream car. So without further ado, I'm gonna set the phone down and stop talking to you guys, and I'm gonna do a lot of driving. I got 7 hours. Mo has 7 hours. I'm just gonna have to sit in the back seat, and it's all for the dreams. All right, guys, I'll pick back up. I don't know if I'll video any there, probably in a parking lot somewhere, showing you what I got, but it's a dream car.
And I'll be sleeping.
And Mo will be sleeping. All right, guys, I'll see you in a little bit. So, it's terrible, but it's a good terrible. Ready? I have got it back here, and again, this is one of my dream cars. I have to be honest with you guys. I really want a 59. Yes, I just did that. I really want a 59, but when you can find a 60 and it was in a movie, you'd almost just have to buy it because it's pretty close. If you guys do know the 59s, the trunk actually comes to a complete V down here, and then the taillights themselves are actually going to be like cat eye, they call them, but they're like teardrop shaped. So I will eventually buy a 59 to go with the 58 and now the 60. But here it is, my movie car, and I don't even know what exactly I'm gonna do with it. Part of me wants to fully like go over it, restore it, get it painted, because I think this color is absolutely horrible. But I also, part of me just wants to leave it alone and not touch it. Maybe clean up like this is all aluminum. I could clean all that up. It would clean up fairly well. Down here, it looks like there's like some overspray, like it was parked next to something that they painted. That would actually probably come off, and who knows, by the end of this video, maybe I'll try to clean it up a little bit. But here is my 1960 Chevrolet Bel Air that was in the movie. I think A Man Named Otto, or A Man Called Otto. I don't even know what the movie is about or anything like that. For me, I just had to have the car. It's sort of like a big dream car. And the fact that it was in the movie, the guy got paid for it being in the movie, and it made the car cheaper for me to buy. Yes, there is some paint imperfections here and throughout the vehicle, but again, I couldn't pass it up. It was a killer deal. And again, when I got there, we negotiated a little bit, and I got what it is. Got it for something that I could afford, and there it is. I do have the factory center caps that you probably see if you do look over in the movie. That's all in the trunk. He gave me the S10 wheels because the other ones were flat and it didn't roll very well. Again, it does run and drive, actually. Hold on, let's fire it up here. Alrighty, guys and girls. Well, I hope you enjoy the content. Again, I absolutely love this car. Like I said before, it's one of my most favorite cars. You guys see my car collection. If you don't follow me now on Senate_Steve. And I don't know if I'll get out any more vehicles. I know I do own one of my other dream cars right now. But again, it was something that I wanted, and I don't know that I want to air it. Like, sure, at some point, maybe when I don't know. At this point, I don't think I'm going to air the car. I have showed it on Instagram a couple times, and people that know me know that I have the vehicle, and some people that have seen me know that I have the vehicle. But again, this is hands down my most favorite car. So the other car, I'll probably just keep for myself in like my private collection, and just keep it kind of, I mean, you'll see it in the background of some videos, I'm sure, because it's in the shop there, but it is what it is. And I don't think I'm going to actually like air a video about it. I might not, who knows. You guys know me. One day I might be bored and just say, hey, let's get that car out and, you know, show you guys. Or two of the other cars that you guys don't even know about, because I've definitely never aired them on any social medias. So I've got a pretty cool car collection right now. I love it. And again, this one's just my driver, my favorite car that I've ever owned. Even when I own a 59, which is like my ultimate dream car, and a Nomad, which is like my ultimate dream car, I probably won't drive them. I'll probably keep this and hang on to this and be driving this. So with that being said, thank you for helping me return to YouTube. And the next video, I'll show you the air ride install that we've done on this car. And I hope you guys enjoy it. I will be wearing the same clothes as I just shot the video for the air ride. So definitely come back and check that video out. It's definitely a pretty cool video, and I can't be any more thankful to be back. Thank you guys. Take care. I love you guys. So glad to be returning, and thank you guys again, like I said it 10 times right there, for your continual support and showing me love throughout, you know, my journey. So I'm back. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm back, baby. Full swing. And now you can fully play with the car. You can do fronts, rears, you can do side to side. You can pretty much do whichever you'd like to do on the car. And again, I cannot give Air Slam it any more thanks and appreciation and apologies all in one, if that makes sense. This is by far my most favorite vehicle that I've ever owned in my entire life, and I've owned a lot of vehicles. You'll see a vehicle that has a lot of sentimental value.